Okay, Courtyard Marriott, Cocoa Beach, Atlantic Avenue. Here is the room. Well, first of all, here's the bathroom. Nice separate sink. I like that. If you have multiple people here, it's great. Oh. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash. That's awesome. You don't have to get those little teeny tiny bottles, which is not enough for my hair. Full length mirror. Good size closet with ironing board. Really, isn't this funny? Am I going to use that? I don't think so. Maybe I should if I wash it out myself. I never trust stuff like that. Oh, I can watch YouTube. I don't have to pull out my Roku. We've got a fridge and we've got a microwave. This might be my new place. Oh, and look at this. Look at the view. Oh, gosh, I got too excited. Well, at least I got a view of the pool. It's nice. Oh, look at this. Nice. Oh, look at the view over there. Hey, not so bad. There's a lot of meeting rooms here. Here's the fitness center. Pretty basic. Got weights though. $3 for soda. That's a rip-off. Here's the bar. It opens at 5 for happy hour.